JEE Main 2024 MCQ. A body of mass 2 kg begins to move under the action of a time-dependent force given by F vector is equal to 60 I caret plus 60 square J caret Newton. Power developed by the force at the time t is given by. Now see here, acceleration is equal to force upon mass. 60 I upon 2, that is 3ti. 60 square j upon 2, that is 3t square j. But a is equal to dv upon dt. So dv vector is equal to 3t dt I caret plus 3t square dt j caret. Now taking integration both side, 0 to t, 0 to t, 0 to v. Integration dv is v, upper minus lower limit is v minus 0 is v. 3 integration of t is t square by 2, 0 to t into I caret plus 3 integration of t square is t cube by 3, 0 to t j caret. So from this, v vector is equal to 3t square by 2 I caret plus t cube j caret. Now power is equal to dot product of force and velocity, F dot v. 60I plus 60 square j, that is the equation of force, dot velocity vector 3t square by 2 I caret plus t cube j caret. So answer of dot product, 6 into 3, 18, 18 by 2, that is 9. So 9 t cube, I dot I is 1, plus 6 into 1 is 1, t square into t cube, that is t raised to 5. So 9t cube plus 6t raised to 5. Here I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1. So equation of power is 9t cube plus 6t raised to 5. Thank you.